Hey guys, it's me here, and in today's video, somebody gifted me this thing. It's like huge, but yeah. And this lady is here, wanting to know something. So yeah, I'm asking her what she wanted to know. Nothing. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I know.
Look, I'm wearing your little doggy thing.
Cool.
I'm wearing these tomorrow. They probably can't.
Okay.
They probably can't fit you.
God, be quiet.
No.
Because I'm going to have you two play inside.
So yeah. By the way, guys, I'm really sad because I had a short wrist and I got scammed. Yeah, and I'm just really sad. Oh my gosh, yes, this is exactly what I need, lady. Which color should I get? I kind of want blue. I'm gonna get blue. Thank you so much. Wait, what do I have on my list? I gotta make sure. Because I have to trade her the right things. Okay, this. Okay. And sounds good. Okay, I'm gonna trade this. I'm gonna scroll down. Let's see this. This. Last but not least, this. Scroll down again. Up. 10 items. All the way down. This. Boom. I meant that, and then I go down again. And I'll click this. Then I'll click done. Okay, I'm so happy now. I kind of have a spike, even though it's not rare. And now I'm going to trade again and get the wrist. Maybe. She probably won't accept for the wrist. I'm going to trade two top hats that look exactly the same. And, trade this crappy stuff that I won't use no more. Dang it, crap buttholes. I'm gonna do a den tour, and maybe I'll show you. I'm gonna be like a den decorator, so you need to suggest to me what you want me to decorate a den for. That's fine. What you want me to decorate a den for? So yeah, I'll just log in. So this is my sister's thingamabob. And, oh crap. And, I'm on this one because my sister has way more den items. And hers would be a lot easier to decorate. And yeah, I don't know what the theme is gonna be. And I'll just have to look through the dens. And I'm pretty sure that the theme is going to be nature for... Ooh, actually, I'm going to make a restaurant den out of the restaurant den. Oh, it looks like we already have a restaurant. But I'm going to make a better one. Because this one doesn't look that good. But to do this, I want to be an owl. She has a humongous spike on owls. Like, it makes the spikes humongous. But I'm going to clear the den. If you hear any squeaky, that's my hamster running on the wheel. She loves the wheel. Like, I mean, hang on, let me just... You might have heard that. But, like, ooh, I'm gonna make a Valentine's themed restaurant. That'll be so cute. Oh my gosh, let me fly over here first. How far away can I fly? I need to fly here and then put, like, I need to have, like, a Valentine-y music. Is that even a word? Valentine-y? I guess it could be a word. Here's the restaurant for you and your special someone. Well, if you have a special someone. Then here's going to be like the door place that you go through. Welcome mat. Please turn the right way. Yes. It's as if this place was destined. I probably shouldn't cover it. Hang on! Perfect, you don't. Oh, this might be what much better. The door. Then the door to the kitchen. And I'll also get 2 more of these. But the kitchen.
Oh.
I'm decorating your den. I'm having a Valentine restaurant before I take a bath. I wish I could make a speed decoration, but I can't.
What?
Speed decoration.
What does that mean?
Like I can decorate faster, but like have my video on full speed. So this entire thing is gonna just be Valentine's theme.
You should make a fence like
Going around that. Like one place here.
Yeah, I moved that up there.
Okay, we're gonna have to have more than one table.
I know, move that stuff up there.
No.
Yeah,
It looks better like that, and then I'll just put 2 over here. And then I'll take this, the fence from the kitchen, and I'll put a door on the kitchen. Because that will look better. But not everybody's going to be able to use the kitchen. I might even trade you my... Oh, yeah, I forgot. I don't have my Valentine stuff. Let's just do a little bit of Valentine's Day decorating. This should go outside.
Yeah, we should have a table outside, too.
Yeah. And this... Where's this chair going to go?
One of the seats.
Oh, my God. It's huge.
I know.
It'll just go...
Tables.
Go right here.
No, put it inside the deck, so like... No, that's... don't put this over there.
Right here. Because you want to look at the... That's you. Then we'll have a plushie machine for the kids, obviously. It'll
They
be...
have to pay 5 cents.
Yeah. That's not even that much.
I'm just kidding. Pretend it's like $5. They have to pay.
Then we'll have beautiful, beautiful artwork up on the walls.
Like,
And we'll have one of your hamster, too. But whenever it gets approved.
Brenda, how long does it take them?
I don't know. It's been like almost all day.
Look, because they go back and they
Hang
can,
on,
like,
I'm going to go buy
put some coffee out.
coffee. Oh, that's not coffee. It's hot cocoa. Where are we going to set this? Right there?
No, you can sit inside there. Move that table.
Okay, stop touching my screen.
Move that table, put that in that corner.
Oh, it already spawned itself there.
And then move those 2 things.
Ooh, yeah, we can cover up the menu. And instead of having the menu, you'll get to look at beautiful artwork.
When it approves.
Well, that's already proved. And,
And put that table up.
no. It's not gonna have that table. Where's the
They
Valentine's?
can't have freaking food.
Yeah, they can. Pretend. There.
No,
3
I
more
want,
tables.
I want real food. put that out. Like,
I can't put it out.
yeah,
It
you
takes
can
up
put
way
it
too
right
much
there.
space.
Not that little one.
You can't have everything. The little one will go in here.
Where?
In the middle, like if you want like fancy food, because you're fancy. But you can just pretend if you're over there.
You just.
Where did it go? Oh my, see look, it's freaking huge. May not look huge, but it is. Okay. Dang it, go freaking over there.
Maybe there's like little foods, what you can like sit on top of the tables.
I doubt it.
Put some candles on there.
That's what I'm, no, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, but I also need, hang on, I'm just gonna go backwards.
You just passed little candles I liked.
I know, but I have to get these. What color? Pink? Or red? Red.
Red. Some pink and some red. 2 red and 2 pink.
Well, 1, 2,
We have
4
tables.
each. So I got 3 red,
Why do you need those?
4 red. Where's the little candles? Freak. And we'll do pink. Or whatever one looks good.
Pink. If anyone,
This one.
I was gonna see if anyone had hearts.
They didn't. I already checked them all. And then we need 4. Perfect.
Why do we need 8 one of those padding things?
Because there's going to be 2 people at each table. Now this is what I call a good restaurant. We're going to put one over here, one of these on each of them. Then we put the red one on the other side. Freaking candle, go back where you were. Thank you. Oh my god. Freaking, I don't want you, stupid candle. I can't get to the pillow without freaking touching the freaking candle. Thank you. I'm gonna move over here maybe, and then put the pillow out. See, look at how close that was. Ooh, those tables are too close together. Move this one forward. I'll move this one up. And then I'll move all the tables up. Oh my god. Freaking.
You didn't need those ones.
I know.
Just need that. Okay. Your hamster loves that wheel.
Yeah. Definitely. Do, 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 do. Almost done. One pillow for the guy.
Pink pillows are for the girls and the red pillows are for the boys. What if all girls show up my thing? Plus, we don't know if
It doesn't even matter.
we don't know if they're boys or girls.
It don't even matter. And the last red one. We'll go. Oh, freak. Stupid candle.
Okay, can you please stop? I think you've done enough running.
No, she hasn't. Now you know what you need?
What?
A Valentine's look. Which one?
I want to dress Santa.
Okay. Well, anyway, guys, that's about it for this video.
Except I want them to watch me.
Well, there's only a minute left.
I know. And it'll take me real quick.
Doo-doo-doo-doo. I'm just gonna say bye in case this quits, okay? So you should do this white or pink,
Oh yeah, pink.
and then do that part white. This part lighter red, like this red, or pink, or this pink.
No, I like the light red.
That's dark red.
And
Okay,
then
guys.
take that stuff off.
Now you should go to the shop. Anyway, guys, it's done with this video.